Hello everybody, welcome back to the 3Set Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix speaker not working on your Honor 600 Pro. So first you want to check the volume levels in the settings. We're going to open up the settings app, and here, right in the settings, we're going to go over and open up the sound and haptics. Now, here we have the volume. We're going to click on show more. And what we want to do here is we want to make sure that music, videos, and games, which is the media volume, is turned all the way up, even the 200% boost, and that the call volume is also turned all the way to the right. Now next, what you guys want to do is make sure that your speaker grills are clean. So the first one is right up top here, and the second one is at the bottom here. Now we want to make sure that we really get rid of anything that's in them, because otherwise they will simply be stuck and we don't want it. So they will be filled up with dust, they won't work properly, they will mute the entire audio. But if we clean them, then we are making sure that they are clean and that audio can go through. Now what are we going to do next is we're going to go to the Bluetooth settings and make sure that Bluetooth is disabled. This is also very important because we have to make sure that audio is not rerouted or basically your device connected to something. This is very important to simply turn this off. And as you guys can see, those are some JBLs paired right here. So we're going to make sure that we turn this off so it's not trying to connect to them. Now, what are we going to do next as a last resort is update our software. So we're going to swipe down until we see system and updates. We're going to tap on it and tap on software update. As you guys can see, I do have a new version available. So now we click on software version, and here we click download and install. So I do have it downloaded, but if you don't, then you will see download and install button. And now that's basically how you guys can update your software. So after the software update, everything will work properly because you are getting rid of any glitches on your device. And that's basically it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.